want to show her inner and outer beauty because we want her to feel great about herself. So now we will meet Maria Aldea, the entry sender of the Glutamax Transformation Challenge, who nominated her sister, Jigs Donato. Hi Aldea!
Hi, Stay.
So, how did you know about this contest?
Nakita ko siya sa internet and sobrang na-excite ako. Sinalihan ko siya talaga without second thought. Naisip ko yung ate ko. Siguro kasi binalikan ko yung mula nung bata ako kung paano yung mga ginawa niya sa akin. Umalis siya papunta sa ibang bansa. Masakit sa akin kasi domestic helper yung ate ko. Pinasukan niya yun nang hindi ko alam kung ready siya dun sa trabaho na yun. Kasi lumaki kami ng may mga magulang na lahat ginagawa para sa amin. Ngayon, inisip ko mag-isa lang yung ate ko doon. Hindi ko alam kung ano magiging buhay meron siya doon na ibang tao yung pagsisilbihan niya. Pero yung ate ko kasi malakas yung loob niya and aalis siya ng baon niya para to sa mga kapatid ko, para to sa mama ko. Yun. Sobrang dami niyang naibigay sa amin. Nakakalimutan niya ng bigyan yung sarili niya. So ako yung magbibigay para sa kanya.
Alright, so we are about to surprise your sister, Miss Jigs Donato, and she has no clue that today we will transform her life. Let's go, let's go. Hi, Jigs! Surprise! You are the winner of the Glutamax Transformation Challenge! Nagpadala sa amin si Aldea ng letter at ikaw yung napili naming manalo ng makeover! Saka na ba?
We promised Jigs a day of pampering, relaxation, and beauty. And it all starts now. Jigs will be getting dental treatment for that boost of confidence. She will undergo teeth cleaning, filling, and of course whitening to achieve a brighter, whiter smile every time. She will also receive facial treatment, diamond peel, RF treatment, and body scrub for healthier skin and relaxed body. A makeover will not be complete without a new set of clothes. I'm sure Jigs will look extravagant after we pick out the best collection for her. So are we ready for the greatest transformation yet? Alright, let's get ready!
Alright guys, this is so exciting. I cannot wait to see Jigs done. And now is the time to see the big reveal. Alright Jigs, are you ready? Come on out! You look so beautiful. Artista. You look like a star.
That's
Grabe. How do you feel?
Kasi yung sobra. Total transformation talaga siya from head to foot. Nakita mo naman ako for the very first day na nagsimula tayo. So from basahan to diamond na ba siya ngayon. Pero I'm still, I'm still amazed. Tsaka masaya talaga syempre.
Alam mo, dahil diamond ka, meron pa kami mga surprises para sa'yo, okay? Aside from the total makeover, we have 10,000 pesos worth ng makeup, pampaganda mo.
Oh, thank you!
10,000 pesos worth of gift certificate from Isa Skin and Body Experts.
Thank you!
A brand new cell phone.
Oh my God!
A TV, LED TV from TCL. And you have 5,000 pesos cash plus 10,000 pesos worth of Glutamax products.
Yes!
So what can you say to Glutamax?
First and foremost, salamat sa Glutamax. Kung sino man yung nakaisip ng ganitong pa-contest, salamat talaga kasi na-inspire nyo si sister ko, kaya siya nakapasulat. Thank you din sa Medea. At thank you po sa lahat ng bumuo sa team. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Enjoy mo lang yung mga to. Yan, okay? Sobrang thank you so much, Jigs. And thank you so much, everyone who joined our Glutamax Transformation Challenge. We would like to thank Glutamax again for choosing and for transforming our big winner, Jigs. And sa lahat ng mga sumali, maraming salamat. This has been Say Alonzo. Bye!